Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Alicia Young, Creative Works by Alicia. I just wanted to pop on and do a short video. As I said, if you watched my first one, I am trying to redo my hallway, and I'm also having some work done to my craft room is no longer going to be my craft room. I'm going to have like an addition onto my home, so I'm having to move everything out of my craft room. But I did want to show one of the things that I did make to hang on the wall in my hallway, and it's this. I purchased a canvas from the dollar store, and I just printed this out. These butterflies, I think it was Graphic Fairies. It was a free download, and I just wrapped it around here, and instead of doing Mod Podge and having to wait for that to dry, I just put the packing tape from the dollar store. I just put that over it, and then easy peasy done. I don't have to worry about any glue or anything. So I did this. I wanted to show everyone that. Also, I did some laminate on the glass cutting boards that you get from the Dollar Tree, and I did some laminate vinyl. I did vinyl on these with the sublimation. So I did that one, and this one, and also this one. I have them in my Etsy shop, which is Alicia 2020, and that's one of the places I have them. And also today I was just going to do a quick tutorial. I need to do a pair of earrings, so I am going to just do a pair of UV earrings with the UV resin, and which is this. This is the kind I use, UV resin, the hard. This is the hard type. And I have my UV light. Everything I'm using I purchased from Amazon. And I also, when I do my UV resin, as well as my epoxy and my sublimation, I have a respirator that I use, because it seems like whenever I do any of those without a respirator, I was having headaches and problems with my asthma. So now that I have the respirator, I don't have any problems. So this is actually my second video. I already did one pair of the UV resin teardrops, so I'm going to do another pair so that you can see. Okay, so I'm going to take you down to the table. There you are. Okay, move this out of the way. Get my respirator. Okay, I'm going to put my respirator on, so my talking may be a little bit muffled. Okay, I have my respirator. I don't have it all the way on yet. So I'm going to pour the UV resin into the mold, and I'm probably going to add like a little bit of a glitter to these, and then you'll see it. Really easy. This is a tool I used also from Amazon. I purchased it. It came as part of a nail kit, and this is very useful when you're doing the UV resin and the epoxy, because you can move stuff around with this. Okay, I'm going to put a little more in this one. It looks like it's not even. Okay. I think I'm going to add some of these little these came in a kit that for making slime. I didn't have any interest in making slime, but I wanted to get all the little things that came in the kit, and This was worth every penny. I purchased that off of Amazon as well. I think it was like $13. No, it could have been cheaper. It might have been $10. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more resin on the top of this. Fill it all the way up. I'm going to put it on for 90 seconds. And after this is set, it's really easy. After it's set, I do it on 90 seconds for maybe 2 or 3 times. I, lift it out, make sure that it's no longer tacky. And then I may have to, like in this case with these, sand off this little edge here. And you just use a regular nail file. You use the nail file, the bit nail file, like these. Just use a regular nail file, sand that down, and then you can add another little swipe of the hard UV resin on there, and you can just place it either on your mold or any silicone surface so it won't stick, and you can set it in the near window in the sun to let it dry. And usually after I'm all done and I put the post on, I take a little bit of UV resin, put the post on, I set that under the UV light when that's all set, and then when everything is all done, I still do let it set in the sun, until the next, let it set near a window to get some daylight, some light for the rest of the day. But, it's already hard, but I just like to do that just to make doubly sure through and through it's all, everything is all good. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be coming with more videos, but I just wanted to do this quick one today while it was on my mind, and I knew I had to do these. But this is a pair that I worked on earlier, and I am going to have to sand them down and then put a little bit more, put the post on, and we should be fine. And these looks like they're fine. I'll hit them again. I always continue to make sure, even turn them over and hit them with the UV light, because you want to make sure that, the resin is no longer tacky and solid, and then add a post on it and you're done. Thank you so much for watching me and taking the time to spend a little time with me. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.